Hi, thank you for watching this Amherst alarm tutorial video. My name is Joe, and today we'll be reviewing how to change the batteries in your DMP-1129-W Glassbreak. Before you get started, make sure you call Amherst Alarms Monitoring Response Center to let them know you'll be doing this, as it will send a tamper alarm to your panel and a tamper alarm to Amherst Alarms Monitoring Response Center. Let's get started. This is a DMP-1129-W Wireless Glassbreak. To get started, you're going to want to gently squeeze together either side and pull it away from its base. It should just pop away gently. It has one 3-volt CR123A lithium battery. To remove it, you're going to want to just pull it out and away. And that's it. There's indicators showing which way the battery should face, so when you replace it, make sure you line those up. Pop it in place gently, and then to put the cover back on, you just put it on and push. It only goes one way, so you shouldn't have to force anything, and that's it. If you have any questions, please call 716-632-4600. Thank you for watching this tutorial video.